What's up everybody guys, how you doing? How's everything going? Hopefully everything is fine and perfect, and I truly believe that your well-being is okay as well. Because today, first of all, do not forget that I'm Alex and I'm having the Telegram private group where you are able to learn how to earn, where you are able to train your skills, where I'm providing you with the skills, with the valuable information. So do not forget to join there. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel and do not forget to leave a like on this video. And today I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be having another trading session, and today I'm going to be trading with $176, and hopefully everything is going to be alright. This is what I truly believe. So without further talking, let's just start doing that. Just let me know in the comments, because today I'm trying a little bit like I'm trying the natural light. Alright, I'm not having another additional light system, anything, just everything that I'm having in my apps. So let's start doing that. First of all, I'm gonna be changing the chart types, the candles, and doing it 1 minute there. Regarding the indicators, I'm gonna be having MACD, fractal house, moving averages, and I guess that's it for now. Period, not touching it. Moving average, EMA. All right, period is going to be 5 here. Main line is going to be green here. The second moving average, styling it, it's going to be red. Here, saving that. Coming to the MACD, fast period, let's make it 5. Slow period, let's make it 15. Styling it, don't really need to change anything here. All right, that's fine. So what we are having, first of all guys, I'm gonna be betting $50 only. I'm going for short. First of all, yeah, let me see what we're having here. Yeah guys, according to the histogram of the MACD, we can see that it just begins a downtrend, as well as price has reached the resistance level. So that's the main reason why I went for short, if I say that. Yeah, it's only $50 right now. Hopefully gonna be all right. Nice. The first bet has successfully won. Okay, now moving to Australian dollars into francs, changing the amount to 90, set 90, yeah, 96, not 90 though. I'm gonna be going for long, guys. I'm gonna be going for long because MACD lines crossed above the 0, and it's signaling a long movement, signaling growth. And if you take a look, I mean, at the parallel, at the corridor that I've just drawn, yeah, you can see that we are just, you know, we can see the rebound from the moving average, and that's one of the main reasons why I bet for long. Here we go, another win, nice. Now I'm having $310. Great. So we can see that help. First of all, let me change it to 164, and we're gonna be going for short, guys. I do apologize. We're gonna be going for long. I'm sorry. We can see that help support is at a level of 85,200. Nice. $353 added to our balance. Okay, now the currency pair, now the amount to bet, 350. I'm betting. I would like to bet, and I'm going for short, guys. Because if you take a look at the market right now, first of all, moving average and MACD, they are indicating and they are signaling for short, as well as we have broken the fractal. Here we go. Nice. 672 dollars were added to our balance. Alright, now what we're having here, first of all, I'm changing it to $650. Just let me change the 3 to, yeah, here we go. And I'm going for long, guys. First of all, the moving average signals for growth, and the fractal line breakout is expected soon, as well as MACD supports the upward movement. So that's the reason why mainly my suggestion is gonna be accurately, not accurately, but just accurate and correct. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Cold. That was cold. $1,240, I mean $48 were added to my balance. All right, Australian and Canadian dollars. What the hell is going on right here? Okay, what I want to do right now is I would like to identify the parallel channel with these two trend lines. And what I see right there, the price is currently rebounding. So let me change it to 1,000, and I'm just gonna be waiting. I just gotta wait for a little. I expect that we're gonna be moving to the upper channel boundary. So that's the main reason why I need to make an opening spot at the local minimum for a rebound. All right, let's do it. Here you go. Okay, the opening spot was really great. I really upped a nice place to buy the currency. I got scared, like the last 3 seconds. The last 3 seconds, they were just scary as hell. But like, anyway, and at the end of the day, we made our profit. Now what we're having, Canadian dollars with the francs, not really willing to change the amount. What I see right now, we are in the overbought zone, so that's mainly what I believe that we should be going for short. Let me show you the support, not the support line, but the level until which I truly believe the candle is going to be reaching. I mean, the MACD histogram shows early short signals, so this is what it is. I do apologize for the Telegram notification. It happens. Yeah, as I mentioned, like I was expecting the rebound, and I'm getting it. And it was kind of logical if you are in the overbought zone, you know. So 15 seconds left, and I would like to remind you about the Telegram private group, guys, because I'm giving you detailed information about the indicators that I'm using, about how they are working, and what am I using, only them. And another win, $3,239 in my balance, and this is all only because of my knowledge. If you are willing to if you are willing to earn as much as I can, even more, then I truly and highly recommend and advise you joining my Telegram private group and learn it from there. It costs nothing. I'm not charging for any money. I'm just sharing the information with you, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao.